Hey y'all, it's Autumn from Evan's Desk and Design, and this is my very first YouTube video. And I wanted to do a little bit of an introduction before we get into the unboxing of the iPad 7, which I am super excited about because as a strategic branding and website designer, I'm an illustrator all the time. And I like to hand make a lot of my logos and everything, and so when I draw them on the computer, it's really difficult to do it with just a mouse and Illustrator. So and I have a graphic tablet, but I'm not too crazy about it, so I'm really excited about using this along with Procreate to be able to streamline my design process instead of doing it on paper and then capturing it and then putting it into Illustrator and then having to fix all the lines. It's a long process. So this is really gonna help me out. So a little bit about me. I started Evan's Desk and Design in October of last year, 2019, and I'm a stay-at-home mom. I have two boys, a 12-year-old and an infant, and I also homeschool my 12-year-old, so that's a lot of fun. And so anyways, this business is like another baby to me. So let's get started. Say hi to Bud. He's right there. That's my guard dog. Don't mind my pajama pants. It's late at night. You might hear my baby crying upstairs because Daddy's putting him to sleep, and this is the only time I have to myself to do things. So anyways, let's get to it. So excited. I've always wanted an iPad. And I got the Apple Pencil. So exciting. Put that away. Here we go. And I did get it in, of course, my favorite color, the rose gold, because it's part of my brand colors. So anyways, fancy. Hopefully it works because I am seeing on it. And it says iPad Pro 12.9, iPad Pro 12.9 second generation, iPad Pro 10.5, iPad Pro 9.7, and iPad 6th generation. So hopefully this works. Yeah, I've always wanted an iPad, but I've never had a really good reason to get one because I have an iPhone. So I never thought there would be a good reason to get one until I discovered some YouTube videos that talked about Procreate, and I was like, dang, I need that. It's got a headphone jack right there. Then I guess this is power button. There we go. So excited. Woohoo, Procreate. All right, let's see here. I'm gonna switch to screen recording just because it's really hard for you to see the camera with my hand in the way. As I get better at this, I'll figure out an angle that works. All right. So if you like this video, go ahead and like it and subscribe. And then in the comments, leave me a comment about what you would like to see next. I do web design, branding, business tips, being a stay-at-home mom while working a full-time business. Anything you want to know, just leave a comment. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I'm going to skedaddle upstairs, so I'll see you later.